Tell me how busy you are in your life. Do you even have a minute for someone who is in dire need of help? Or for someone who needs your attention? This is the thing we must focus on, and this is the thing we are supposed to change. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to this beautiful podcast. This is me, Yawar Manzoor, and I welcome you to JE English Unacademy. In this podcast, we're going to be talking about a beautiful inspirational story that you'll definitely love. That may open up your mind. It may fascinate you, okay? So there was actually a man. He was a very successful man. I say a young, successful executive. He was riding his brand new Jaguar down a neighborhood street. And he noticed a kid darting out from parked cars. The kid was actually shouting, "Stop, stop, stop." Now this person saw this kid, so he slowed down a little. But as he appeared near it, a brick was smashed onto the car's door. This man was shocked. What has happened to me? He slammed on the brakes and drove back to the place where the brick has been thrown. Now when this man came out of his car, the man got so angry and furious, he jumped out of his car and caught that nearest kid shouting, "What was that all about? What the heck did you do to my car? Why did you do it?" The young boy, this kid was very, very scared. He was very polite. He was very apologetic. He said, "I'm sorry, sir. I didn't know what else to do." He pleaded. "I needed help. That's why I had to do this. I'm sorry about this, sir. I had to throw this brick because no one else would stop for my call to help." The tears are rolling down his cheeks. And this young man kept looking at this poor guy, this apologetic guy, this scared guy. He pointed towards the parked cars and said, "It's my brother. He rolled off the curb and fell off his wheelchair, and he is badly hurt. I cannot lift him." The boy asked the young man, "Now, would you please help me to get him back on his wheelchair? He's hurt. He's too heavy for me." These are the words of this small kid. Now this young man was moved beyond words. He lifted the other kid from the spot and put him to his wheelchair. He also helped the little kid with his bruises and cuts. When he thought that everything will be okay, he went back to his car. And then this grateful kid said, "Thank you, sir, and God bless you." Now this young man was too shaken for any word. So the man simply watched the little boy push the wheelchair bound brother down the sidewalk. Now, this man started thinking about the entire situation, what has happened. Now, when he came out of the car, he looked at his dented car door. The damage was very noticeable, but he did not bother to repair it. He kept the dent to remind him of the message. So, the message of the entire situation is basically, do not go through the life so fast that someone has to throw a brick at you to get your attention. So, this was all about the story in this video, in this podcast, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you liked it. Now, if you people want to join our special classes on Unacademy app, you just have to download the Unacademy app, come in our special classes which are completely for free, join my special classes, use my code YAWAR, okay? And you might have recently seen how good results Unacademy has produced in JE 2021, okay? Like AIR1 was from Unacademy, okay? If you people want to fall in that category, you're supposed to take the Plus and Iconic subscription because we have the top educators of the country who are teaching you inside there. Thank you so much. It was all about it. Thank you so much.